Welcome to the SAT question of the day for March 27th, 2013. Today we've got a sentence completion question. Explorer David Livingstone has blank reputation. Some historians revile him as a proponent of imperialism, while others blank him as a founder of African nationalism. Okay, so two blanker, pick a blank, and do it first. Let's do this second one. Because we can see that, so he has some kind of reputation. This reputation is based on the fact that some historians revile him, so detest, strongly dislike him, as a proponent of imperialism, while others something him as a founder of African nationalism. Now, this language, while, indicates that this is going to be an opposite word from revile. So we need something the opposite of revile. So how about praise? Right, to praise him as a founder of African nationalism. So let's go to the choices. Exalt, yeah, I mean, it means praise. It's a bit strong, but we can keep it. Vilify, no, that means the same thing as revile, so we can get rid of B entirely. Dismiss, nope. Too negative. Praise, yep. Castigate, no. So, what kind of reputation does he have? Well, some historians revile him, others praise him, so we can say something like, I don't know, controversial maybe, right? There's a lot of disagreement about this guy. So, a substantial reputation. I mean, he certainly probably has a substantial reputation, but that's not what's being mentioned in this sentence. So we can get rid of A. And dichotomous works perfectly. Dichotomous means having two sides. So in this case, that works perfectly, right? Some people like him, some people hate him. That's a dichotomy. That's dichotomous. So D fits really well. Just a few notes on trap choices. Notice that some of the choices in the second blank do not recognize that this is an opposite relationship. So castigate and vilify and dismiss are all negative, and they're all in the same tone as revile. So if you don't notice because of this while that there should be an opposite relationship, you might get sucked into those choices. In terms of the first blank, besides substantial and illustrious, which sound right in terms of reputation, so an illustrious reputation or a substantial reputation, again, not really relevant. The main one I want to focus on here is a sketchy. That's that's a word that comes from the modern vernacular, right? Someone is sketchy. I think a lot of students might pick that just because it would fit, right? Livingstone has a sketchy reputation. Some historians blank him, while others blank him. And in some sense, sketchy does work. The issue is vilify. Does not fit into the second blank. It does not capture that sketchiness. But anyway, the answer to this one is indeed D, and that's how we work on this one.